Me mama kwaba biomba me wo case so. Enne ye toa ye contract dwumedie no so. Contract wo hwe a lawyer for no be ka say a contract can either be by implied by written or by word of mouth or verbal. But enye maybe wo hono ma yese ekọ contract mu na ema ni dim se ne be ya unya asem bi na ode kokota ye betimi edi ama wana se ubetimi edi nkunu ewo asem no so na ene me san wo lawyer opon nana opon ewo ha lawyer ho fe ewo ha a osan oni ye betu adwumedie ni so na mema na bro contract no last week say ya kano a bedru na ya to adwumedie ni so nti lawyer mema wakwaba aba mi case so say am sika ye no o cheche yesel contract can take the form of oral, written or implied. Into no so betimi am my brief a summary of what we've done so far and can be there.
All right. Last week in here can say betimi no no I contract. Betimi atro. And so ni yes betimi a contract. Into no say ehwe usuban any the course so. If say we a landlord, waka chiro bi say first of the month no ontua the rent. Now when not na be mfie mi no, dey bia otua on the 15th. Oni e ne kire say first no, you are no longer insisting on the first, you are insisting on the 15th. Enti oni e na sesa the otua contract no, oni e na modify a contract no.
Okay.
Enti oni e betima be contract.
Okay.
Enti we bibia na wahwe
okay. Na ena mpachokoso.
Ena apart from that no. The whole business of contract is about reasonableness. Adena we no, nyansa wo mu ana say den, nyansa ni mo court be hwe say se kame nyansania e de na nka meye ana nyansania e de na expect so obeye into nupakra nyansa e supporting no on dey bem.
Okay,
what sebe one for nyansa nya adwuma no una odi for.
Okay, so me fa say come me as an individual me abne Adom me independent me ni ko bia mu me ni company bia mu meet mini company bi I enter into an oral contract na amana ye
obetimi ni company bia I enter into contract oral, written, conduct and so on. Law say obia odi 18 de ko nanim na sebe omodam ana omoye ana so we free no otimi enter into contract as long as contract no enye illegal ana entiamra. Okay. And obetimi ni company obetimi ni nipa obetimi ni oman obetimi ni ohene obetimi ni obia enter into contract.
Me ameka say on say most often say me know your contract oral contractor. Ebedru baby na I say my word against yours, your word against mine. It's between me and you as individuals in the bia you betimi your oral contract be na agreement be. But when it comes to a company, na oral be amaba multimedia ha me buy an me wo lighting equipment and na say sound equipment and na bibisa multimedia ma wo ko fabra e betua oka na trasa me de bibisa na person me.
Okay, in the first place oral contract enya de pa.
Okay.
Obo a was me genedi o eminua o madam for me ne kwa sorry me ne say emra no e makwan na emom say okokod na say okose prove na very difficult. Into the best way is say avoid oral contracts.
Okay.
Say I didn't who here pa there say be a simple bia and some small matter bia any who cares? But say who here pa there na back to the company no. Company bia any pe bia dey gina home company no. Oba company asebe do bia o clinic company no onye manager ana onye director ona onye CEO ana chairman as MD ndi show bia odimu no sign or say I have authority to bind the corporation and I said
I written no.
That's right me to me Emma corporation dem e ka no na have company nafa one who be say sign I have authority to bind the corporation men yintum betima ba say we ma ka say ba ko no e no krampo e mo mra bi wo ho say so company na so bejitum so on the home company ni dia indoor management rule and they okay but the point is okwa if you nipa odi mo company ho na ye fanto paper so na witness nya den enwo ho so witness ni kra ni ho krampa almost stamp so no one sign no waje copy now the cop
it's here for an for lawyer kasa or say oral ni de wo ho but ehun sunsan so ne do so ntino say enye any formal rigid contract be cry ye I put it to you bebre egu so cry wo de mo sign undertaking bi keke ana
that's right
na ehun sampa nkitadie bi ana conversation bi akọ between you and the company.
And a contract so there's no need for contracts to be complicated. But we perceive siwa and my contract because the last time I make
as a bank for no ko jilo na omo mo ni ma titi you pay loan it who show
and you come
what sign after the do no mo to ade loan say for 4 years no now if bank you to 5 years o come say na say terms and conditions no pacho or say interest ne cost
and a fees be and a charges be and any bank for go baby because the last time I making kind I buy Ghana buy it's over koji loan and fee World Bank ni one for na me kofa any say making kind me cry me lawyer because let me see here o ma sheda pa the friend me o theory be it's called nonsensus consensus I just say I don't be nonsense am am for tia say no ma jia tum
na lawyer mpetse me busa o say obi the verbal agreement and a verbal contract a court am na we need that
it me ba sa it me ba because emre ni ho just say oral enya happy say happy am pa na ultimate prove the whole point in is say court are evidence based
okay
and this oral no judge no betie we no atie we no ahwehwe no mum so and the evidence no support your case no emphasis evidence obi dia dance here and now the pakron ni e bia oyeye no ene wo dia ne mo na tally ene ono no dia na asem wo kan na tally a judge no betie no
lawyer onim say binum ni asem kapa o onim say wonim asem ka yi a ebia na wodi bemu but ebia na wanonte sa na say wugina nipa ma wontimi explain hu ye na nipa na no dendenden otimi finding owo your friend is saying talent with words no no aka na asem de na hwe ya ni akodi ama no
so na okay we ubisa question is say obi timi court eko reni oral ana be say ya ni
it is how say wona wodi bem morally or in fact no di bem but say ya what's be express ho no ene be timi ama ne ma chia
asema won ken morally wodi bem fact wodi bem na court no wadi for there be say judge ne ka say wadi bem and then be factual wadi bem so when you bem crab na judge ne ka say wadi bem and then be the new fact na say the established fact no but mate the opa say bit ma say obi di for then so she na say me ya no akodi bem it be happen say we are say no judge no onye nyankopon and what ho na bia questions here bisa want me answer ni yes kofa we bra want me amfa ma odba kro no so oda kofa ba kofa dance di bra na odba kofa dance for be miensa omo kasa yi omo di mu we see me ohene we see me manager we see me asofo we see me lawyer there we go now the kofa dance di bra we see ba show me ni dance ni bia nyakopon di ba dance here ube lose pa
okay lawyer yentu aso na person bi busa o say contract we ya sign fancy written contract ya sign terms no we reading ye ni bibia e den na e betimi asini aka say contract we no ye cancel
no ma bebre betimi asi betimi abase time na wo sign contract no e bia na ada ba mu if be deception and as a fraud and misrepresentation and as a serious mistake be ba mu so and as say be na okra na one no aduro bi
now I drink straight visa
so and now if it be extreme emotional distress psychological factors bit my back be now you are din bi uti asem bi din now adwene nyina no ni nyina state of mind so you know but court ansana court be ka say asen obehwehwe mu ahun say ampa nye se bia opese why contract na wie no
ohun say nyema bi nko
enkoma na opese yi fumi unti bi nkoda da court so but so mo hwe mu na sampa ye da o ana say ntro na ye omde ya ade no ana say yare bi sie na wan tiase ana wan kosku na de bibi biti o ana some promise you bibi na promise na nya na say jurors bia court better na say aka say there say contract we there but in general no you are bound by your contract because society no so one yantimi enforce contractor amount for here there 2 years no my sister margin I mean in the contract saying the same no in general no contracts are enforced as long as reasonable na fair na just and you know you have a duty to be reasonable
lawyer me person me buse biom say contracts most of it are civil cases become is there a time when you be a contract a bit me abege na same see it me criminalize na e be criminal
say if you ask no back up what before you continue in English.
Okay.
Yeah, divide away into civil and away criminal and a religious and at the ending. Into criminal code no ho and I can say we say a criminal.
Okay.
Into oko it doesn't matter say baby I must start here and na civil. So and baby I must start here na sorry and our na bibisa na criminal na then Adom. Into you depending on the facts. In the criminal matter it may arise out of civil matters.
Oh, okay.
And a civil matters is so
it's me.
It's a criminal matters it may the civil back.
All right.
Oboha or case boha case in both civil and criminal.
Okay. Lawyers say yeah ba call your first case. Your first case ni free efia. Efia say okoye high purchase CB for a year. Within a year no na say otua bibie wie. Afei ono there in her mind no was sign papers ni bibie say ya betite no kakra within a year no we wie. After 18 months, yeah, that's what it's no. Until I say, until or yeah, complain. And I'm saying, after I'm buy, and I'm saying, say I'm missing a bank. Oh, no, mama will be beating things to loan, and mama will be beating things. Well, I saw a shintino. If you won't shed that and ready and ye. Or say, according to the terms, so no, it's interest rates, air cost, no. Not just say. It is related or dependent on the interest rate.
And then
the interest rate
a variable.
Not just say until say I don't know how. Say interest rate never from or jaiwo say still no me who ye. But the facts of the matter is that they are basing they are saying say 1 year no it's not what it is, but based on the interest rate within time they say ochiano
what happens
Bank of Ghana increasing rates into no or continue into you are calculating new rates.
I see.
So you are based on Bank of Ghana new rate on what they are
like it's someone fixed rate now
so well
something like that. It's a floaty and in the room
but in what she signed, no, she's supposed to pay it within a year, and she has done that. Still almost say Bank of Ghana they been ready to be able to here continue. Does she have a case?
Okay,
or what case Anaa?
In the first place, you know, our case and that's only case need depend I didn't know much on. Unfortunately, contract in any more hands. No, the fact is, say what your principal now we are.
Okay.
And the fans are called Bosia 1,000 cities. What you the akaya interest. And almost share that. Almost person because what you into almost say interest no na uchi and as a principal ko nye nu ho if say interest won twen wie and a fees won twen and a charges in twen wie. Next SCB ya bomo a obetimi ni asiki obetimi de nkrata na ba na ahwem na etunofo. Krata yen de entimi ntu hu fo and I entimi man advice. But here's what happens. Say uko na uko sign contract. Na wan to obo ase kan no ma wo mu so ho. Na ma obi e ma ogitumu se de omo ye no ogitumu a e ba be sisi wan kasa. In other words, say a clear or krata no say near we interest rate no you the tie to Bank of Ghana and say what the best sesa na then what you kra untua and say na ogitumu a ni ho be kire no
na afi krampo de almost aba say so when tua within what's the new, well let me say new yina rates no de aba na and ombe police abeche no ne ma na
another I did one thing and say Ghana ye wo suban bi wo ho a ade a enye police asem a opese ohunu na ogisika ne ntem no akofa police aiden abom ya catch police for munim police for papa bebre almost so sad no more. It's a civil matter. It's a bank no and as a financial institution no so ode omo car omo fa no court enye police asem onko bo kro no and onko ye fraud e bosia na kobo e na wantimi entua enye police asem ese mama for say so be the car enye police asem e court asem so and enye landguard asem and enye mehunu na mebo waso me ye say me say tra ho me ba me kwadro me compare me say no so it's mo through police asem no kra. But back to the issue no if she signed it na say ogin say yesisi na ana say nyesa na ntiasere tia anyesa na mo explain chena she has the right to complain first place no what say the moye no etiam refi say mo anka nchem say na tie mo mama so te say enti no opaka obetimi na court onko pe lawyer no fa court. But another thing was very important and sign up sign contract bia no so menwi ohiana e ma wo de call bank no ho no Jane say the cost of borrowing and yes kana waje keke no no fees any charges any penalties and no bread mo musa busa mo se me pa mo che obebre sika ma se me tue me beji say 1,000 cedis a mo ke come fees ni mo bibia ina bomu a say na metua mo mo ncho ma ho say at the end of the day no wo betua me ba o mo mo ncho ma ho so mo ncho ma
o ho ncho da ukọ banga obebusa niema say some ebinim ye very curious and they want to do things pepe to obebusa oh bank you know so can KPI o say den no ho so enya hwewo wenum de enya hwewe 2 years and ma calculate amount 3 years na ma calculate amount obetua afa 3 years ne beso a na bank da so tew
Matias
no da so tew no so you know you base your signature on what your relationship manager or whoever was at the bank catch us so when they here
but me say
formality
so what you say
me no so muta can formality
me nyinti so oko bank
Anaa be lawyer
me ba o David lawyer sem David since ni esu nyina esu amra ade ba ko a me book ba ko me try illegal no everybody should be a lawyer of some sort just like everybody should be a pastor of some sort everybody should be a doctor of some sort me boa because unkwa ne wo mra ewiase no it depending on knowledge na wo no so do you know maybe why I can say me a lawyer na me lawyer the point in is on the pakwa wo just can if you he has a duty by law so I'm explaining true say sikana obosia na oboye no principal na nie ho a obetuatua ne penalty ni fees ni 2 years na 1 year in this woman case way 1 year time no obetua sika obetua ne dodo ni nyina ni just bia BBC and omo ntroma so omo ka so omo ntroma wa omo bisisiu ade a obebisa obi a wanya ama no na say osuro nti na onye den onye ma na komo de pa na akoboro 100 cedis na ade bechi enam 100 cedis na akoboro rent no waton car waton fie waton dia eno enye wodwin enen kwa de ho a ho bechi nti na ka say short term thinking is very very dangerous menwe say me ho akire nti wo de fama me o bosi akra na akobo ade cha na obeka wo
enye izio
na so ho chiu na so koyesa ade chi so obeden
o ma me da hospital pa na ehieska un ebi a wo ye udimu wo ebusuani ehieska obie ni sam unsusu ni bi oya wo science adem anya fe na obeye formality wo bezo hu right o wo dwen ho kra na
wo asma okay sa ho kira mo akọ sign contract na se aho kire nti wase sign no ma enfata
atu niema egu o fie ra atu niema egu ma rainy season o kwan tina wo ko sign kra wo nwen ho yanso wo peska na wo da ko sort ho out
okay so you've done that I didn't say we back court say we blame on the back of this kind of man because no he took advantage of the fact say o ho achiro
advantage
but say ono a businessman a businessman and what desert and to come deal when is you and I be just catch say open so so near $10,000 so 10,000 and you quite it's no so ojinso na no ma wo chance say obekọ court na catch court say ahochirenti na emom is very rare say just a beer outrage if it be unconscionable in the be unconscionable transactions act just it's ya adwene morality ni no one court with my hackers we die abroso samroso dia the team odinkwa na samroso a court and send it aside
ene abroso na efia asemi sesi awonye den
efia asem no
onko suntua na
so David men ka so mo onyai but onko seek legal advice immediately onko pe lawyer na onkin kan ade no na onche sika dodo aiden watua na by calculation omo hwe sika na according to contract say watua na de omo ne keka ho no omo calculate difference no say abroso too much say no so bia obetumi akase betua we a no be negotiate on say bank for no tribia call na out mo say woni me ngoma na say woni me mra no mo negotiate on be pene so
yes
ne mo abon na okase betua afika matemu da on be gisika no to mo nko no mo kasa no mo negotiate
madam fubi na o say okotua in bia o diska kotu bia na waje receipt no na wa pack won say enum bi o ha nya ti say ade na koto account ma na matiti receipt na to baby ono de sana opake nti o say o hwe ni balance we ya entoso ma no be o call back o gini statement it mean say na account ni a temper kakra e no call bank hono mo o mo ni be argument no say sa ko soa
receipt ni na buy
August one sister. It was no. Or caught train a man say, one time. And I move say bibia man.
Evidence.
Say maybe one more. You're taking it for granted, kakra, but in the long run, say to near me ye now keep you near me ya. A boawa one kasa.
That's right. And I face no. Adeba kwa emra chene say mo ani nyedin. Memo obi ansisiw. Obi beso di nyansa bitiwa mempene so because o tena homa na obi di nyansa ebitiwa okokota obe lose because nyanzani na court no be support no. Sabe wo wagimi no okokota be hwe osaka na watena ho amo aju sike afena na obeye. And agana so na wo ka ohia 70 no. Enu ndi okobo bosia so ho. Sabe ho achi na babo bosia okokwa omo ndimi ni negotiate obeka say terms and conditions and do the sign. Nti eno no memmo bosia bebre so betimi a say emergency na mema utimi nya order say oh almost
lawyer sometimes life and death so it's you really won't dream who bebre no I say
but make obi asabi job sa company bi money di ohana makose ma slander obi di sika eko 10,000 so ko to omo no mani bi na o ka che na down for say me ni sika to 10,000 menya interest 30% so say den and another for the cover 100,000 Ghana just 1 billion
on the ko bem
e di 1 week pay na company no eguye so
lawyer we dey drama down for bi asem o ka che me say bitcoin and you be call commercial breaks say o dey ni sika koto afi dey okwa website na
it happens
ashofo you be kwa twa ye ho kakra ne age nkrato ye ba ye beto aso me mama kwa ba biom eba mi wo case so ye dwumadie ye hwe contracts ena ye da so ka ho asem lawyer opon ewa ha na opon wa ha o checheye mu first case ye bobo ho efia o say wa ye friend say wakoto maybe on high purchase na on the in terms no che say 1 year na wetue wi afede ekọ almost 2 years so the sutu akọ busa ya say according to the terms no say interest na ekosora na che say ogusutua onti ase okọ yes ontue bi mo say ma police for aba beche no e na lawyer che say niema we enye police for na bem some de no court ya am di police for ehunu ni pasa na but ansa no betimi ama advice ankasa say owo case and only case na gi odi paper na o sign ye na aba no ahwem na wetimi advice na say any lawyer bi obekọ ne ho bia na onfa papers ne nko na lawyer ni hwem yie na ontimi advice no say obetimi esiki redress e wo court na say obetimi ejai kra ontue bio enti eno na ye ka ho asem a e de twa ye ho kakra ya san be na your second case no taxi driver bia ono so akwaji obi car sa de friend no work and pay say di nkrofo nya pa wo krom ha enti ono so de ne story aba ha ye bebo na ono akasa kan nenum asem ye wi a na lawyer a cheche yemu no advice sen ya ebe ya obetimi akonenim nti mumma yenhwe taxi driver inu nasem odi obeka kire
the person me case be kakra me just me case ana if he say me taxi driver me treat taxi and me nya adamfo bi me wadamfo bi a wo connect me ama obi different and pa kuno to taxi ma me se me fan twi na me twi a me twi na me fan work and pay nti why me boss nti me bia me twi me de koba na makotua no me koba na betua no me tua the sa for about 7 months 2 weeks me tua ma no nti a day one day pay and month member ejima me buy no was me nko later me sambra me koye the following day me koye the same thing the following day me koye me na more than 1 week was me nko ansa nti my imagine start me ko hu madam for na wa connect me ama no me so me ko madam for no was oh chale say na ekosu obi a wa connect me ama no tazi no waje to my team member adima one day nti waje tazi ne to nti madam for no say na adwin say side oba frɛ no nti me kofie esa ba back me frɛ madam me bisa madam for say ekosan ono so use etos me saa wo se nde wo kina na otina nti me saa de madam fo ntimi mbo me de masa ko back to me boss no ho nte bia me na boss ni fie me na office me kwa wo si woni ho me ko fie wo si woni ho me fa wo si woni ho me friend line so enko nti se si akwema tipae to person me say we nu me o case ana any case se me o case dia mo mbo am na mentimi nge me sika ana say in case one fast can me kura adwuma ma 7 months no ni 2 weeks no on team no fa me ejuma sika ma me ana say obapini a one fat tazi ma na me ye ejuma na me fantika na me nya me tazi ti person me mbo am na me hwe say metima anye case ana say me o case dia mbo am
aha taxi driver my friend Joe ena odinasem ababa boy no na ansana yebe cheche nsem numu kra senia etie no ipese me busa lawyer say wan Joe anka say oni ne master no eye omo ka keke nti mefa ne say verbal contract aha ena omo aye no nti say an verbal contract say am CD kaka nasem against master nasem but utie no what do you make of it?
Okay, so first of all no I see work and pay agreement to be in the emphasis say any writing crumpa agreement no ho and I'm hoping so dance die so near dance die crumpa that time now this kind of ma papa no na papa na bi mana na fe so obi ejuma ma na senka enye work and pay a obechi sika ma no na wochia na abosome in the 7 months no this come out na one anyi bi ama na che say work and pay na che say oh yeah ampa ena so no obi work and pay so a che say kan ba be ne dia ndi be ka say bosome bi atua sei kopim time a obetua wie nti say ontua nwie a kan ye wodia na emom adwuma a oye ne equity say or interest or beneficial owner e wo saa de na oye ne nti no so onye bibia sebe on ka so koton car no wa che no say o koton car nti we awi nti mageme car ana wa se car no ka say okra wonim car o pese o se car na wantimi ana obi a work and on se car no vize nti onye bibia etiamra dia ene owner na etiamra nti all right to say odi owner no beko no wakoji say do sika no either say contract no on beto aso nti say the account 13 months na aka o sika dodo aka no be ejuma
o bi say wo car no kra no an na eye
sa na tie ene sa na omunya on work and pay no it is obeko na contract on beto aso no be ejuma no tie sika no ana se sika wo tua na court be ma na bi so on beka se bia ejuma wo ye sika wo nyet work and pay aga se na be tua o kan tie dia ma ana se on be come to some a new arrangement bia e be boa omumi ni nyina ba se obeja ho keke se onye bibia ande da bi emra be ma no kwan se obenye bibia free
no ya sa work and pay asemi ekoso wo krom ha pa minimum taxi drivers be brea omo master na say car owner no onen be ko terms fefefe otua ni sike nyina aka be 3 months na car na be ye ne dia no no aheda kofa some article bi no dia we no agene car
etiamra pra don't pa kono so say obia o ye work and pay taxi driver be onti asem ese when you can use your head me man a chance bi am won use article bi am fan you say otua ne car ese we maintenance we bibia ese we na obeso de ne din anaza apo eje car no fi wunsem a watiamra okokota obedi bem enti enye papa enye correct say utua ene no oji na we ejuma no bi kura na ye times 2 car no boy 10,000 na utua 20,000 utua be 18,000 akabe 2,000 na we a osemeji ene ko bobo sia na fetua ne kana je car na nti ene de o mo ntena ho ene na me kana ho ewi asimu no emra kire say obia mentena ho mo bi nsisi o mo ani na ho so wo no be a contractor unko school crampo wo wi a wo je paper na fa koma obi no kenkan ma wo na wo hu ade ese wo ye na eno so kra mentena ho ma mo fa paper no ma wansa ene ne nkan ansa ndi ma say wo se me car no me gi a total say na metua wo so betua say bo so bia metua say ndi se betua ni nyina wi a car ba ba media wo san ndi krata wo de ama me sa na e kan san wo so yo mpashe me ba na wo ko pe obi akọ school pacho kenkan ma me say a different from what is inside na no aba me teacher ni ana me crash ni o say entisa make sure say correct so ansana all the side then akosha ase obu ha wa da sure say one day kura wan tua betime me car excuse me nse hunu etiamra emra makwan wa sure kura mpa enye juma okọ enye juma
kamebusa say terms no any conditions no with this work and pay ni say every week and every month bia no o command sika bi now sometimes taxi drivers no omu default ebu 2 months kra no on see on come ne master no kra sika na owner ni sika enti master no so be din otwen ya na bedu
clause no
well no dey real na fe o se menti ase
ba say default no dey enye o say waje obi car we adwuma ma no na car na say ya ka kire no for evidence ma no
but you na can say just say
na make onu person sisi owner na look law no ho and support sisi o enti say owner no person sisi taxi driver na law no mpene and a taxi driver no person sisi owner na law no mpene enti obi avoid sisi so ho na e bibia fenchem ositua every week say na utia I say ya no akaka chance say me pacho or mechanic say ni number ni open cramba me picture now then they send you so after all I didn't na car say no akasa say na emo mo pese do wunu nyansa de ne yejuma wo say nyejuma na say na obokro no eno so nye good but obi o na fenchem na ona person sisi ne de emra emma kwan sa ada and our face no make sure say onkoji contract bi a wontimi ntua say then ojim say sales no bosum that could be a wetimi 100 cedis me the car some keko no aka chance say me 200 metimi because of the car no afi na wontimi a na wontimi na
guys
na ho achiro
enti lawyer achia say so wo koji work and pay a emfa ho say ya ho achiro emfa ho say wo pay ejuma aye paper no dey lie black and white in chantro paper no dey lie with the manning short terms the conditions ni na so sebe unko school da anase wonte ase a pe obi a ugidi se wako school a na dwuma bie na on cheche wase na ti ase yi ansa na se beye krampo a eya na esuo lawyer for mu gisika dodo nti eya ye nya bobo se fa che lawyer pe lawyer me kokko obeji misika but in the long run sika kakra obi kokko tua ama lawyer so untua krampo a hyenebo se lawyer o de hwemu mame na mame advice na se me ye adwuma no
lawyer njibo wo she boy place
se mo
onko pe obi a wa bank kakra wa bank kakra nya lawyer
eya mo so eya na
pro bono
na ye na yi no on che wase ansa na wa sign wo sign so a make sure say paper no wo di be sie yie na asem wakwa yi me nkotu nchini baby keke afa ebe asembesi no wo hwehwe paper yi kra uhu na your friend is saying master yi timi ko ye paper fufu kra ko sign with signature ko foje na wo fe wo gina ho na article are wo se wo fi abeyifo na omunye yi ye ka ne se wo ye nkrasefo no mpese wo be hiaka lawyer enche ebie phone lines na se obi esisi wo kwan bisu say ya bia we can pay free na onsoso fa wasem to 0302 211 70124 misaka biom 0302 211 70124 into betimi afre na say bia we can pay and say efia asema o say okoye your friend is saying high purchase here we tue and I say bi kura wakoji bank loan no omo ka cho say 4 years omo ka cho say 2 years omo ka cho say 3 years we tua wa onim say we tua wi o calculate ya we tua wi and so bank for say according to the friend is saying Bank of Ghana laws and interest rates and something no untua wi na ogusu tua say e bia to sa na so person lawyer advice your lawyer how betimi afre ma me san ka number ni biom 030221176024 ubetimi afre na won so wo de wasema ba na lawyer we onjo hwe e free Adom TV de ye wazoye na lawyer e ma free advice na won so untimi enfa nko weni enti lawyer ne ye ka contract wan semi o say contract e do baby a yetimi cancel based on e be a misinterpretation fraud any ehon misinterpretation and no dey
a bit more say if we be non as factum as I just say me na minim dey me ya na making kind e bi ho no ya brewa na wanko school and as wa ware crown pon wanko school na brewa na ni kunu di se yanko bank na wo de kosensan bibi me ko gisika bi o se be dia dance ya mame na dwenye ne se ko dia dance wanko school no bi an church mu an chense o guarantor so don't na dwenye
guarantor no ne dey
guarantor obi a Obia. Ojina say ono so support so nipa kona ntimi anya ya me fa na japade ono e fa na guarantor enti no ono na dwen so kodi adanse o afokodu ho a wasensa pepe wie nipa kona okoji sika no wantia ni aba na be fa nipa kona japade na o e guarantor no because na menya guarantor me de me nim se me kodi adanse kam se da bi wo ba ye ne ma wo san krata se we guarantor nti so ntimi ntua we ba beji wo fie na si an chirchire mu sa anya den an chire no enti sometimes in such circumstances judge bit maka say oh na some ada no munim se wan ko school onimu ade na mo anchechi mo anche na mama na dwen ye ne se we adanse di keke enti betuma ba se sa case no ebetimi atwa contract no ma guarantee na o ye no ebi so also a omo da nipa kro no ojen se tuntum na efita ebu ha deception no no mo bebre no mo de ni nyina hwehwemu adanse di but the point of law no say obia has the right and the duty to be wise ese obo modia na wonim nyansa mentra wo mo bi nsisiw menko san wi ansa na kase ade no kran po man hwemu mi nim de omo kan hwemu ansa na mo se de wo sika na sa ho kyereba na se wo be force na wagede a dikitwa bi manyi bebre na taxi drivers na wo kan no work and pay make sure say every payment I will be making no one ko school am obi nchro
na sign dates
if you open your crown the best way is say why a receipt
lawyer my enko yen twa your home ra nti ahwefo ye twa your home ba lawyer to aso me mama kwa babium eba me wo case ana ne ye dasu discuss contract and two cases and by if equia say wakoye high purchase no omoma no 1 year say ontua wetua but still no mo say Bank of Ghana the interest rate binti times bi na wo mo say equia ankan no sa article na re no nti say otua minim say forever and ever Bank of Ghana so there be interest rate no kwa na cost rate em say equia wo betua na osi ontua omo se ombefa no mama police for ababa chi no number 2 taxi driver Joe ono so o say waye adwuma na 7 months do 7 months no ne master no anaka owner no abone hanya say on farmer ni biom tisika na waje no so ni de chefa wo mu don de on farmer no na onko nenim na se si ane wo Eric ofrefri Suedo Eric
hello
Eric, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me mama kwa baba mi wo case so.
Yo, me pacho am say menso okiton ka bi ma ni wo swedro. Ewo kofobia.
Okay.
Na oton ka no ma me no. O nesi fitemu a ka no kala. Mfense ya packet bo na sisi na me ne court and me ka say o ka say ka no ntini yen ti se me ye ka na me ye nti ko na me ma no o de ka na ma me 50 million.
Okay.
Na me tia
that 50 million yeah 5,000. Se sia 5,000 e boa.
Okay. Aye. Be de na ye. No se me ko bom kana di be si bia no ni atemu mienu. Nti me bom kana wie no hu se me spray kana ma na ye ka. Wapa me mpanyimfo se ka no na dia o pese obeje ma mpanyimfo na di ka no o me nsam bia ma no e ma na di ko me ko report wa sam no wo Kofobia Central Police Station a police for no enam se na ono wo mo eye fanti omo fa kwa bi so ma se na se o de ehunu asem bi e mo ma se up to now me hu be ti aka no wo nimpa na di Kofobia oni a police for ye fan omo se up to now me hu ka no na me sika no so a akodim enenia ma ye wadwuma nya ni nyina no me hu ka no
mate ya time aye eyi kakra nti no lawyer be answer Adramani from Sunyane. Adramani ye ma wakwa baba we mo case Anaa so.
Pacho mejo.
What's me
pacho. Me person me disase me case Anaa ma top plot bi on. Plot no mine na me top plot no wa ye papers ni nyina ma na wa me ma dance ni ansa won so the papers na bra me a dress was fine. But mine no dey Proto na ne de ni bi ye yi adansini no My number no wa be kan tire me say onim ho hwe. Enti se man hwe no man ka ho asem na se sika no mentue bibi ama na. Na se man ni wu a man say o man ni wu a tire no mbe de plot ne because ye busia saase. Ena na frɛ man na bisa na man na ka tire se pipes no no mu ma ya ama men. Onu kra wa me pia me ka wie no aye pipes na ma mintimi don timi.
Adramani wasem yi wo hu me pacho gina so na gi number yi na frɛ na yenye ne special amount because wasem yi there as edimuka emu pikakra enti no fa number is 024 mpacho ofa hello Adramani oko
ma 024
024 650 650 06381 6381 we me producer friend is Sarah enti no ye pon ya no afre 6381 6381 enti wo your friend na wa ka bibia che no next week lawyer ba no wa ba be ma advice. Come on. Why? Oh, okay. 650.
65.
06. Enti no lawyer first caller or say watoka with chiaka and agreement ne say Anaa say eyi ne say okay ye nyina koyeka ni ye wo bo ho ka ye nyina ya che e ka no afa. But we tria 5,000 at what dada. So I come kwa ye can ye na ye fe na aye gam na. We no frakadam. Wa je kan every 70 lawyer. They no kan wa asemi.
All right, into no omo anya contract, omo antro bibia anto ho. Asema na ye kan no. Make sure say bibia we bibia, oni we church omo bia church to. Nti say obet makase ba kon bet makase man fa ama no. Because onye ma me den.
People sisu wo eyi ona yi
ndi de bia o put this ka be ma obia no monye contract mon tro the to sumi no onam so twi sika ma no tumi nya dance di nko a wetima ko gini sika wetima ko kota ko gini sika the to sumi enye police case na make can before no and the police for no m1 a bia o monim say enye police case a civil matter but say wo di sika ma obi na wo na anya nhyehyɛ na nhyehyɛ no so ni achotro mu a wetima take advantage of no asisi ndi we di asisi pa na po but mont na ho on fa nkokoto be di bem if you say odi sika ma no car nti na car so afini nsem a nduba koni ni right so be keep ni sika so to be tuma kono akoji ni sika na mo ndachi bia no wodu sika ma obi a make sure say adanse di ho ya tro
enti mi na say mi bombusia cash o ya no ma check ma ye eyi no wa sign
check no krampo mo nduba control di nti a we den o de ma no e be tuma ma say o de chair no e be tuma ma say o de chair no
o china ko o be ga yo so de chair na fe and then so this kind of easy sound.
But look, the point is that obi ensia the enfamra ho. So obi ensia because law no bibia obi bia law. E wiase wadu ani diem de obenom atade a obehye ka obetwi school obeko bia law mrajuma obe law. Nti no usua law a nti adwuma program we me support program because e kire editor. Usua law a be wise. Say na de bia meka you have the right to be wise. Oh, emrama kwanse obohu nyansa.
A police for you have the right to remain silent.
And you have the right to be foolish. And the wise people have the right to take advantage of the foolish as long as they do so reasonably and legally. The patch and say, "Well, when him nyansa okrom ha no, nyansa fo no be den, e be sisi u da. Then just be kan nyansa fo no ho, no be sisi wa prevent it. And also am obi anya den, and sisi and also be sisi kura obetimi akokota, and also betimi abo ho ban. Na onim nyansa now first Canada akoma obi and now since I just do pens sound be am of take advantage of bia
lawyer edin you lawyer so this year anya easy so say doors law ni doors bebre
me ba ke am for it
enti no so ya him fa de na yes ya illegally lawyer na say time
legal literacy no illegal literacy
me petrol me the number way to ja so wo asembia now person lawyer eyi anoma no on my advice wo betimi afre number 054 780 9491 Sarah Pacho mo born na mo fan to TV no so no bi ehu bi 054 780 9491 Sarah so friend the number na on fa and so Adramani wobetimi afre Sarah number no obefa wo de oye special emaye enti lawyer miasambobo subiom contracts what constitutes a contract ukoye contractor enema be na ese ebem no hu sampa we de a contract
ese contract no na make last time ne clarity ese clear de mo kan wasem no say dokuna won ka say dokuno say nifa enye nifa bon ko nifa
black
that's right and there should be control idea how the control over no say betima ko say memfa ho nshem so and the most important thing about so why careful and stand out this ka be ma obi obekwa adwuma bi no make sure say so nipa ko this camera obetima age
okay
prevention is better than cure obi ho ha woni mi feel crampo office no crampo woni ho ebi wo so crampo so adwuma no ebegu
lawyer your time na ye but lawyer am I 3 C's or say clear concise and careful enti no mpacho woni obi a ye bibi edi nkutahu bi a make sure say woti ase na say ya tro na wadu enti no na ye di me wo case besi ha next week if ya pokua beba beto aso